is funny. We had plans to make a video today about something, but then something else happened and people ended up at my house at 8 in the morning and Anthony left and it's very crazy. So instead of boring you guys with an intro, watch what happened at like 8 this morning.
Dad, someone's in our backyard.
What?
Someone's in the backyard.
Who?
I don't know.
In our backyard? Who is that? Yo. Bro, it's Paul and them. I gotta change. They got the camera. I guess we're not sleeping today.
End of flashback.
But we had a bunch of stuff ready to go where we were gonna do a little bit of feeding of these cool animals. So we're gonna throw that in this video too. So let's go feed some animals, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, I just want to see what a llama tastes like, okay? You can eat a llama. Actually, who's down for glizzies? Huh? Glizzy dinner.
Now I'm gonna pour it into your mouth, and whatever you guys catch, you have to like get as much as you possibly can get.
Swallow them all, swallow them all, swallow them all.
There we go.
All right, it's your turn, Jayla. Oh, glizzy. You know the Pacu we got in our last episode.
Oh my goodness!
You got it?
Yes! Oh my god, we got the monster!
The albino doing amazing. Dude's literally like eating out of my hand.
I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon. Rah, rah, like a dungeon dragon.
The black one hasn't ate yet. I don't know why. He's probably still stressed, but it's been like a week or so. Do me a favor. Comment down below if you guys know what I should try or... I mean, I really don't want to pay like a fish vet to come out here and grab him and get fecal samples or whatever they do for fish. What do they do for fish if they're sick? Our plan is to have him as the main fish in this pond and we name him something like, I don't know, Batman. Huh? And then we give the albino to Paul because, you know, Paul wants it. Before you guys say anything in the comments, yes, I know, Pacu are normally vegetarians, meaning they eat fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. Let's put a little bit of lettuce in here. See if he eats the lettuce. You want some lettuce, bro? You're a vegetarian. Google said you're supposed to eat lettuce, homie. Here. All right, maybe he doesn't like lettuce. Shrimp, right? Shrimp. Watch what he does with the shrimp. Watch, shrimp, gone. Vegetarian, huh? Dude literally just eats shrimp. Look, gone, gone, gone. The Pacu are eating. He's got all his food. Literally just had $4 worth of shrimp. What do we do with this now? Anyway, we got other animals to feed. Come on, guys. Now we're gonna feed my favorite animal, Cupid Romeo Heart. I don't know. The last video you guys were naming this snake, and I like the name Cupid. Some people like the name Romeo. Some people like the name Heart. What name do you like?
Heart.
This is my dude right here. I like him a lot. Like, he goes in my mouth.
No.
And then after he's done, he comes out. All right, anyway, so this is how you guys feed your snakes to be safe and to train the kids for when we get bigger snakes, if we get bigger snakes. You guys want more snakes?
Yes.
And you're supposed to give it to them with the thongs, so where's the thongs? Not thongs, tongs. We put him in here, like this.
Like that.
And he knows it's time to eat. Wow. And that's his big vicious bite, guys. That's the big vicious bite that'll rip your whole arm off.
It's kind of lame.
So, we're gonna put this in fast forward while he eats that. Get him back. Ready, set, go.
A pit bulldog, I keep under my linen. It don't bop, it spot when it revolves.
It's right in his back right now, and it's going.
You see it coming down? Number 2, homie. What is he doing? He likes to like roll it over and hit it from. So once he's got the thing in his mouth, he's no longer a threat. Like he's not gonna drop it and bite you. So we basically pick him up now, we put him in there and we let him finish his food.
I'm gonna put him back here.
Sounds good. Now, the proper way to do this is we don't touch them, we don't handle them, we don't mess with them for like 2 days, let them fully digest. Then after day 2, I grab them and we go out to Publix again, and Burger King and the grocery store. That should be a dope video. Going places with my snake, and I need a bigger one though, it's kind of lame. Yeah. Anyway, it looks like a worm. Next, we're gonna try to feed Godzilla the mangrove monitor. Ooh, my man.
What is that noise?
That's him squishing that in his mouth. Oh my goodness, get him another one. He swallowed that like it was nothing. Looked like Anthony with ketchup.
Ketchup!
Boom. And he's gone.
Early the next morning.
All right, VZ fam, so I just woke up and I see these guys in the backyard. And I have no clue why, because you guys remember that pacu, that albino pacu, was supposed to be a surprise for Paul. They show up in the backyard saying they heard that the 4,000 gallon needed some fish. Dude, you guys gotta see this fish that he got. So I don't know if you can see him because of the lighting. No, you can't. Can you? He showed up and said, hey, I heard your 4,000 gallons empty. And I heard you have a pacu. We were supposed to be just surprising him with it on his birthday, which is in a couple days, guys. But he shows up and he says, I can't wait to have it. So again, when his 5,500 gallon is done, we're definitely gonna be giving him that. I think me and Anthony are gonna bring it to him. As you see, nobody's here with me because it's early. What is wrong with these guys? They're all up early. I don't understand it.
The temperature in these ponds. Who's that, Paul? Is that Paul? Into this is a lot different. This is a lot warmer than this, so you have to acclimate. There we go. I would just let that literally double its water capacity.
I just looked it up. It's this, Marble Acara, okay? Guys, do some research on it and let me know, because I've never seen this fish. It's like the craziest thing I've seen. Wait till we get it in there. Right now we're acclimating it. All right, Paul, tell us a little bit about that fish, dude. Like, what's he eat? What's they do? What do you know about him?
Everything about every other catfish.
All right.
Red-tailed catfish is the same exact way. They're just gonna eat pretty much anything you throw in the pond. Live fish, chunk bait, you name it, they'll eat it pretty much.
Grains?
Huh?
Grains?
They probably won't eat pellets. They will, but like you gotta feed them other. You gotta make sure he's eating fish, tilapia, shrimp, something like that.
Perfect.
They will come up and eat pellets like they do in my pond, but obviously he's gonna be really shy the first couple days inside this pond because he's not familiar. If he spines you, they got reverse barbs in their fins. So if it goes in, it's got barbs that go the opposite way so you can't pull it out. It's like a stingray.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so don't get spined.
Anthony's gonna do all the water changes.
Come here, dude. There he goes. Awesome. Now that is a big mama. Yeah. Look at him, the catfish is with the pacu. I'm getting up. Oh! I almost fell in. The catfish is right down there. He just went in with the pacu. As you can see him down there. Oh yeah, this water is crystal clear too. Obviously there'll be a whole video on that fish arriving to the house and going into our 5,500 gallon once we fill it with water, filtration and stuff like that.
Dude, that is so crazy that he just swam over there and made friends like that. He saw the pacu, which I was gonna try to keep. Like if I knew Paul was coming, I would have covered this whole thing and been like, oh no, we got something going on back there. It's construction, but Paul still has a key, I think. I'm gonna check later. So he ended up in here and he saw the pacu, but he understands that he's getting it for his birthday, so I guess surprise.
Yay!
So I guess when that's done, we're gonna make a video bringing it to you, so you guys better stick around for that, because that's gonna be amazing, throwing Anthony in here, having him catch the pacu again. Anthony's home and he has not seen this, and he was so mad that Paul and Brandon and all them were here. He was so mad. He had an appointment to go to, and he was so... Anthony, come here, come here. Listen, so you know Brenton and Paul were just here, right?
Yeah.
They brought us a fish.
What?
Come and check this fish out.
What?
Yes, bro.
Oh my God.
Yes, bro.
No.
Isn't it? Look at it. It's got freaking... It's got like leopard print or something.
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy.
Guess what his name is?
What?
Paul. Hey, good throw. You're like a basketball player.
LeBron James.
LeBron James? You freaking missed it. Went out here. Bro.
Jordan.
There you go. Now you'll... Oh. 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 Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hey. 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 All right, I got to stop him before he starts twerking. Yo.
What?
You look stylish. I like this little outfit you got. Hey, Tony Stylish, blue t-shirt. Oh, Billie Eilish.
Talk big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond.
The plan, we're gonna have the 4,000-gallon aquarium out back, right? And the goal is to get a fish from each friend or YouTuber or business that we support and like. So basically, like today's video, Paul is gonna bring over an amazing fish, which he did, and we're gonna name it Paul, and that's gonna be one. And then I think next up, we got sending some stuff, so we're gonna name one. And then, you know, I got one coming from and oh, and you guys crushed the likes on that last video, way over 1,000. So Joey Slam already said he's going to be bringing us a red-tailed catfish, or maybe we'll go down there and do a tour of his place. But either way, guys, if this video right here gets 1,000 likes, oh my god, I just got bit by a llama. I don't know what, you scared me, bro. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm going to cook you. Seriously though, if this video gets 1,000 likes, me and Anthony are gonna go to PetSmart and we're gonna buy every single fish and we're gonna throw it in the big pond. Every fish in PetSmart. Or maybe every goldfish.
Every fish?
I don't know, we'll figure it out. But we're definitely gonna be buying a ton of fish from PetSmart and we're gonna be bringing them to the big pond and dumping them out. Well, gently though, and acclimate and all the good stuff that you guys clown us about in the comments. The snake is fed. He's good. He's good. The Pacu's fed. What else is gonna be fed?
How about us now?
You guys ready to eat?
Yeah.
I got a surprise for our dinner. We're gonna be eating some Mr. Beast today. Oh, what are you guys doing?
We're ready to eat Mr. Beast.
Dude, we're eating the food.
Oh.
What the heck? You guys are ready to eat a person? Oh, jeez. We're gonna be doing our food review on Mr. Beast. We're not actually, you guys really thought we were eating Mr. Beast tonight?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is a Mr. Beast chicken burger, a Carl's grilled cheese burger. We got a Beast style burger. That's for Anthony. We got a Beast style burger. That's for me. We got Beast style fries. Oh my goodness. Pickles and cheese. That looks good, right? I got one more surprise for you guys though. We got the candy too. Look at this. Guys, look what I got.
Oh my god!
Bars, yeah! Quinoa chocolate crunch. Give me the pink one. This one is milk chocolate. And we got boxes. We got boxes, guys. We got boxes, guys. We got boxes, guys. Let's do a food review and try his food.
Yes, thank you for his food. Keep healthy and safe. Hope you have a good day. And Mr. Beast has a good day. Amen.
Anthony, what's your favorite sauce?
Ketchup!
I got the Mr. Beast style burger. Let's try it. Okay. Guys, we have to limit him on the ketchup because it'll cost us like $2 grand a month.
3, 2, 1. Pickles, onions, cheese, and a patty. Thanks.
All right, first off,
Oh.
I must add my buffalo.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
Because
You have to have buffalo?
chicken sandwiches alone right now.
I'm not gonna do that.
All right, Alyssa, you take a bite of yours.
And I didn't get pickles with this, so.
Oh, she's mad.
Grilled chicken sandwich, which one is it? Open the thing.
I found a pickle.
You found a pickle like it was hiding? Carl's chicken.
Carl's chicken.
What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Okay. I love the stickers, by the way. It's good. Not hot enough though.
I'm gonna be honest, man, these fries are off the chain.
My honest opinion is I don't like pickles. It tastes like weird.
What?
It tastes like weird. That's my
Here, I'll make it taste better.
That's my honest
Watch this.
opinion.
Now try it.
No, it's done here.
All right, you guys know how we do it. It's a 1 out of 10. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with Alyssa. Alyssa, 1 out of 10, what do you think about Mr. Beast's food?
7.
A 9.
A 9.
Oh.
Anthony,
10.
you give every piece of food a 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give it a 7 too.
I'm gonna give the fries with all the cheese and pickles and everything on it a high 9. 100% it's a 9. I like these fries.
Yeah.
Even if this was hot, I'm still gonna give this an 8. So out of all of us, what are we thinking? This whole meal together is like a 7 or 8? Which is good. We're going 1 out of 10. An 8 is freaking high, dude. So you take 1 piece, it says share, but I'm not sharing this 1 piece with you.
I'm not sure.
Try one.
Who the heck shares? Mine's not 1 piece, it's like a whole bar.
That's pretty good.
That's a whole bar.
They want you to eat the whole thing.
I think the milk chocolate is really good. It's only got 5 ingredients. Sugar, organic cocoa, butter, organic chocolate, liquor. Liquor? Guys, don't eat too much. You're gonna be tipsy. Organic milk and organic vanilla powder. If it's cheaper than Hershey's, I would buy it. But if it's not cheaper than Hershey's, it kind of tastes the same. The quinoa one, it tastes like rice.
I'm not a fan of this quinoa crunch.
Yeah, Anthony's the only one who likes it.
I think I like the one that comes from Olive Garden better.
Oh, the little Olive Garden?
Yeah.
Chocolates with the little mint in the middle?
Yeah.
Olive Garden is not real Italian food. All right? I'm gonna say this. Never in your life say, oh, let's go out to eat for Italian, and say, oh, let's go to Olive Garden is not real Italian food. I hate when people say that. It's like, I don't even have time for that. You know what I do have time for, though? Make sure you're here for the next video, because we got a couple bangers planned, so don't miss it, okay? Peace.